Yesterday. I did a lot yesterday. Yesterday I took a long drive. Yesterday I won the lottery. Yesterday was my birthday. Yesterday I slept in. Yesterday all my troubles seemed so far away. Last night I went to a concert. Yesterday I didn't work. I went to the beach. Yesterday I played video games. Yesterday I relaxed and enjoyed life. Yesterday I watched Gladiator. Yesterday I played soccer with a friend. Yesterday I went on a date. Yesterday I ate a lot. Yesterday I had a good time. What did you do yesterday? Let us know in the comments. The end.